Okay, this is gonna be my last bike check video for a good while until I get some new shit for this bike. Okay, so here we go. Basically the same stuff, but I just wanted to finalize it for now, you know. Up at front we got the S&M RV bars, demolition missile grips, a new pair, and torn it. Got a stock Stalin stem, fit team trail forks from a stock fit bike that I had like 2 years ago. Up front we have a DK Alpha hub laced to a Haro rim that I painted orange. Got an Odyssey K-Lat tire. Got some pegs. I don't know what kind they are, but they're doing just fine. The frame is Eastern Harvester 20.75 top tube. Plastic bar ends. Got this from my friend at Eastern PC pivotal seat and pivotal seat post. The cranks are Eastern Stell, painted in blue. I would have done black, but I don't have any black paint. Got some white RC twisted plastic PC pedals. I need some new pedals and grips off. Going away. FBM hood guard, Eastern directional back wheel. Primo Comet slick tire. Eastern Medusa sprocket, purple. A regular KMC chain that I painted orange. I think that's it. Yeah, I think it looks nice. Oh yeah.